G'day, V-Dubbed here, and how you doing? Today's video, we're continuing on getting the 71 bus over the pits, and we're going to take off the bullbar at the front and the towbar at the back, just to make it easier. I don't know if they are Australian verified, so it's just easier to take them off to get them over the pits. Today we're still working on getting the bay window ready to go over the pits to get its registration. Over the pits is what they call it in Australia. So we just need to be taking off that front bullbar, and we'll take off the back towbar as well. Alright, so let's take a look underneath the front. So we need to undo these bolts to take this bullbar off.
You just did it tight. Do you remember how much this bullbar weighs?
I think it's quite heavy, so I'm going to leave that one in.
Yeah.
And then let it down slowly so that we can catch it. Just undo that one a bit more.
Okay, because you made it out of some pretty thick steel. So I'm sure that if this took a hit, it would be pretty fine. But that's kind of the purpose, isn't it?
Okay, let's start on these ones.
Do you want me to stop them there?
No, you can get each one in. Leave that for now. Let's get this one off. Alright, I don't remember how heavy this is, but I think it is going to be quite heavy.
So do you want to get out from under the car first?
Yeah, that's probably the best, and then we hold it while we undo these bolts. Just to be safe, we put axle stands underneath the bullbar, and I just used different size sockets to fill the gap between the axle stand and the bullbar, and that allowed us to then undo the bolts and drop the bullbar safely without it landing on top of us. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen now.
Oh, there we go. Okay, do you want to film?
Are you still recording?
Okay, you might have to zoom out a bit. Want me to pull it out?
Yeah. Is it heavy?
No, it's only about 20 kilos.
Okay, so let's go put it up there next to the slide. Just down there somewhere, yeah, that's fine. So it's not that heavy.
No, it's only about 15 kilos, maybe.
Okay.
If that.
So there we go. It's the the front goes over the pits with that. Right, there we are. So that's one job done. We'll need to take this tow hitch off because I'm not sure, just rather than take the chance when we take it over the pits. So, coming underneath. It's actually bolted on up there. That's the moustache bar. It's bolted on over there as well. And you can see underneath the vehicle. It's pretty oily and nasty back here. So I don't know what I'll have to do to get this over the pit. But our next step now is to take off this tow bar. We'll start with these at the back. Are they 13s?
Yes.
Okay.
Anti-clockwise that one. No.
Do you want to use the ratchet or the socket?
Yes.
Nice long bolt.
How long is this bolt, man? There we go, it's nearly out. I think. It just keeps going. That's like a 10 centimeter bolt. That's huge, man. That seems a bit unnecessary. It just came out easy, man.
Alright. I think let's undo that side
Alright.
and then it can drop onto the stand and then we'll come and undo this side.
Okay.
Yep. Can I get in there? Can I get into this one? Yes, I can. See, that's dented. There's another one here somewhere, is there?
Up there.
No?
Up.
Put me on it?
There, you're on it.
Come on. Is it a 17?
I think so.
No, smaller. Is it a 13?
No, it looks like it's maybe. Looks a bit big, doesn't it?
Is it there?
Yep. I don't know how hard that's gonna be.
There's a nut on the other side. That's why that's good.
That's a 17.
Let's try this. I'm wondering if that should wait till last. And let's get this one off.
Okay. Okay, this is the other side. There's the two big boy bolts. So we're going to do that one last. Now we're just going to get the little 13 out. And then we should be good.
Alright, so that's the tow bar off. And it's fairly substantial. You can see the plates up the side there. They had the 17 socket bolts in it, the smaller 13. And these two bars were the ones running underneath the motor to a tow hitch at the back. So I think that's a bit of overkill, but we got it off, which is great. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what colours you think we should paint this car. I'm quite keen to leave it the pink and blue, but also maybe black with the blue. But let me know what you think. Take care, God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.